I'm Cadet Manea Jaloy from BS71 Alpha, and I am Group 8. The roundtable discussion talks about our past experiences as a captain and how we deal with it. I have learned that experiences are lessons. It made me realize of certain things that I should deal with in the near future. Participating in roundtable discussion offers numerous benefits for maritime students. It promotes interactive and collaborative learning, facilitating the exchange of our knowledge and experiences among peers. This sharing of perspective is crucial evaluating maritime issues and developing critical thinking. Additionally, it enhances the communications, teamwork, self-confidence, and leadership skills. Such discussions, especially on topics like shipping accidents and lesson learned, help to analyze mistakes and prevent future negative occurrences, emphasizing safety, clearly communication, and continuous improvement. I would rate myself to the group as a 3 on scale of 1 to 5. I effectively express and share my thoughts with my teammates. Again, my name is Jalid Manea from BS71 Alpha.